If you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there. Lewis Carroll. You ever been there? 1 minute your trade is solidly green. You're pumped, maybe even calculating profits in your head. And then out of nowhere, bam! The chart reverses so fast, your draw drops. Your green trade turns blood red before you can even say, stop loss. You did everything right. So what went wrong? If only you knew where the stock was going, where the real turning points were hiding, you could have saved that trade. Heck, maybe even flipped it into a win. If that gut-wrenching punch has happened to you more times than you like to admit, listen. You're not broken. You're just missing a crucial piece of the puzzle. And today, I've got that piece. In this video, I'm breaking down the Fibonacci sequence and showing you how this ancient pattern might just be the missing key in your trading toolbox. And stick with me to the end because I'm going to walk you through step by step how to use the Fibonacci tool to map out smarter entries, stronger exits, and way less drama in your trades. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Dr. O, and I'm the host of the Trading Psychology for Reparations YouTube channel, where I combined my background in mental health with the power of the stock market to help traders of African descent master the game, heal through wealth, and move from survival to strategy. In today's episode, we're unlocking the power of the Fibonacci sequence, a tool that can help you stop guessing and start trading with precision. So sit tight because we're holding your hand step by step through what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how to use it like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, and smash that like button so you don't miss a single episode that could change your financial future. So let's break it down. Ever wonder why sunflowers spiral so perfectly? Or why traders obsess over weird numbers like 61.8%? That's the Fibonacci sequence, nature's favorite code and Wall Street's secret sauce. Let's break down a few facts about the Fibonacci sequence that you need to know. The Fibonacci sequence is simple but powerful. It starts like this: 0, 1, then each number is the sum of the two before it. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and it just keeps going. The formula is F times N equals F times N minus 1 plus F times N minus 2. Boom! Math magic. As the numbers climb, something wild happens. It's the golden ratio, hiding in plain sight. The ratio between them starts creeping towards 1.618, also known as the golden ratio, a number so beautiful. The Greeks built temples around it, and nature still uses it as a blueprint. Look around, and you'll see the Fibonacci sequence all around you. Petals on flowers are often in Fibonacci numbers. Pine cones and sunflowers, spiral patterns follow it too. Even hurricanes and galaxies obey this sequence. And if you don't want to count it step by step, plug it into your calculator and boom, you get the Fibonacci number directly on your screen. This is known as Benet's formula. Coders use it in algorithms, search techniques, and even in Fibonacci heaps, which is a data structure that makes your computer smarter, faster, and leaner. Now let's talk money. Fibonacci levels like 23.6%, 38.2%, and 61.8% are huge in trading. Traders use them to find support, resistance, and reversal points. It's like Fibonacci is whispering price prediction through these charts. So now that we've told you how vast the Fibonacci sequence is, let's demystify this thing called the Fibonacci sequence so that you can become the profitable trader you've always been meant to be. At its core, the Fibonacci sequence is a pattern found in nature. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. Each number is the sum of the two numbers before it. But here's where it gets juicy for traders. When we take these numbers and turn them into ratios, we get levels like 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6%, the backbone of the Fibonacci retracement tool. These aren't random. They reflect natural pullbacks and recoveries seen in everything from flowers to financial markets. Why does this matter? Well, let's say you entered a trade and it shot up. Beautiful. But you didn't take profit. Then boom, the price reverses and now you're stuck wondering what just happened. That's where Fibonacci comes in. These levels help you to do the following. Predict where price might pull back to, spot support and resistance zones, plan your entries and exits with confidence. Essentially, it's like having a GPS for your chart. So let's do a quick example. Imagine you're trading SPY. The price moves from $400 up to $420. You grab your Fibonacci retracement tool, draw it from the swing low of 400 to the swing high of 420. Now you've got your levels. 23.6% equals $415.28. 38.2% equals $412.36. 50% equals $410. And 61.8% equals $407.64. These are zones where price may pause, bounce, or even reverse. Instead of guessing, you're now using structure to plan your next move. I'm about to show you step by step how to apply this tool to your trades, live and direct. We'll walk through it together on a real chart, so don't click away. But first, pause for a second and ask yourself, how many red trades could I have saved if I just knew where the market wanted to go? That's the power of Fibonacci. It brings clarity to the chaos. Before we dive into the chart, hit that like button if this is already connecting the dots for you. And subscribe if you're ready to trade with intention, not just emotion. And drop a comment below. Have you ever used the Fibonacci before? Or is this your first time hearing about it? All right, let's open up a chart and get hands on.
Hi everyone, so I am Dr. O and I am going to show you how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool on TradingView. So we're just going to go to tradingview.com. I kind of already have it pulled up for you. We're going to use the ticker symbol SPY. Okay, so we're going to go here to the left hand corner and we're going to click on this arrow beside it. Now it's the first tool that comes up that says fib retracement. I'm not sure if, can't quite remember if it's because I've used it before that it comes up first, or if it is, naturally there. But nonetheless, you will find it, I believe it's the third icon down on the, I say 3 lines, but it's actually 4. And then it's the Fibonacci retracement. So let's click that. Okay, and we're the 5-minute time frame right now, although I usually use higher time frames. I'm just using the smaller one because I think it gives you more detail and might be a little bit easier for us to follow. So as you can see right here, we have a gap, okay? And so I thought this would be a good way to figure out how to fill this gap. So we're going to put the tool right here. We're going to start it here, and sometimes mine likes to act a little funny, but this is the bottom, okay? Now we're going to go all the way up to the top of this tool, okay? And we're going to see how, it goes about filling that gap. So we're going to pull it now over to the right here. Okay. Now, what I recommend, as you can see, there's this gap, so it keeps coming. As you can see, and I believe we referenced this earlier in the video, it stops at the 0.382 retracement level. And you can see this whole gap right here between the 0.382 and the 0.382 is where it remains a lot of the time, okay, for this gap. It does not actually, it does fill the gap. I'm sorry. It goes all the way down to the 0.618. and fills the gap right here. You can see that. And then it proceeds to go back up. But as you can see, it hits it here at the 0.382, again at the negative 0.382, again at the 0.618, and then double top here and continues to go on at the 1.68. So again, that tool can be found. I'm just going to delete it real quickly. So I'm going to be showing you another example now. Okay, so let's pretend that all we have is the information here, okay, about where this is going. And to do this, what I'm going to do is go back to a replay mode. I'm going to have it stall right here, okay? And we are going to move it so you can see these are some icons that I use to keep track of my own progress. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the area that we were just talking about. We're going to grab the Fibonacci retracement tool. Again, I'm going to put it here because this is the information we know, right? So we see it's at the bottom of the trend. We want to know, and we can tell because of that green candle that's coming up right now, we want to know where this is going now. Okay, so we're going to go back to this trend, and we are going to pull the tool over in just a second, and I can get it to stretch. All right, here we go. Oops. And as you can see, I'm just trying to level it with the information that we already have. Okay, now we're going to pause it here because this is good information to have. This is useful because it's going to show you where you need to drink and exiting your trades. So I'm going to now replay it, and we're going to see where it hits on the Fibonacci levels. Oops, no, we don't want to exit it. We want to play it, sorry. Okay, so it hit the first one. It's going back down to the 0.382. It's kind of hanging around the 0.382. So you can enter here, you can exit here. Now it's going back up to the negative 0.382, and it's hitting the negative 0.618. It's coming back down. Okay, it doesn't, oh, it does, okay, good. So it almost reached the 0.382 before it went right back up to the negative 0.382. And you see kind of how it's in the range right now? But this is all good information to have about where the next step is. Still ranging. But you see how it's almost hitting the levels to the T? Sorry about my little star there. That's a way for me to know that that's where I enter. See, it is hitting these Fibonacci levels almost 100%, guys. And that's why the power of the Fibonacci is so important. And it's going to keep going, keep going. And it jumps up, and that's where I took profit on that trade that I had hit earlier, as it went all the way up to the 1.68 level. 1.618, sorry about that. And as you can see, it's going to go back down. So that is how the tool works. If you have any questions or comments about it, let me know. I'm curious. Have you used this tool? Are you going to try to use this tool? Do you see how accurate it is? And is there anything that I can do to help you understand how to use the tool a little bit more effectively? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for joining us today.
So before I let you go, here are 7 interesting facts and reminders about Fibonacci levels and how they can help you become a more confident and profitable trader. 1. Fibonacci levels are rooted in nature. Fibonacci levels aren't just chart tools. They're grounded in biology, art, and architecture. The same ratios that form the spiral of a galaxy also shape the way price moves on a chart. It's divine order applied to your trading. 2. Price respects Fibonacci levels. You'll be amazed how often price bounces, reverses, or consolidates around levels like 38.2 and 61.8%. These are not guesses. They're psychological zones where buyers and sellers tend to react. Number 3, they help you map out pullbacks. Ever jump into a trade too early on a pullback? Fibonacci can help you wait for confirmation, allowing you to enter with better timing and lower risk. Number 4, they reveal targets, not just entries. Most people use Fibonacci for entries, but they're also great for planning profit targets. You can use Fibonacci extensions to predict where the price might move next. Number 5, they work in every market. Fibonacci works on stocks, crypto, forex, futures, and it's incredibly effective on SPY, which is why I use it every single day with my community. Number 6, they combine beautifully with other indicators. Use Fibonacci alongside tools like moving averages, candlestick patterns, or smart money concepts for even more precise setups. And last, but certainly not least, Fibonacci helps you trade with structure, not emotion. When you have levels clearly mapped out, you stop chasing candles and start executing with clarity. This isn't just about making money, it's about keeping your peace while doing it. Now, I know this video only scratches the surface of what Fibonacci can do for you in your trading game. But here's the good news. I don't just teach it once and disappear. Every single day, I give out the Fibonacci levels for SPY to my Trading Psychology for Reparations community. And it's completely free. It's designed to help you build consistency, confidence, and real results. To make sure you never miss a level that could flip your trade from red to green, just click the link in the description. And if this video helped you, do me a favor. Subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know your biggest takeaway. Listen, your trading journey is about more than profits. It's about ownership. Ownership of your time, ownership of your choices, ownership of your future. You don't need a hedge fund to win. You need a strategy, a mindset, and a community that sees you. This is just the beginning. You are not too late. You are not too far behind. The markets may be unpredictable, but you, my friend, are not. You're being equipped, empowered, and elevated. Now let's go get what's yours. If this stirred something in you, Don't just watch, join. Subscribe so you never miss a tool, a truth, or a trading tip that could change your life. Drop a comment. Let your voice be heard. We don't just trade charts here. We build community, one conversation at a time. And most importantly, click the link in the description to get your daily Fibonacci levels for SPY, because structure creates freedom. This is your moment to trade with clarity, confidence, and conviction. Let's grow, let's heal, let's win together. You've got this. Peace and blessings. Dr. O.